Number 6 question in Pass Bar Exam 2024. Andy paid Billy 50,000 pesos to kill Charlie. Thereafter, Billy went to the house of Charlie and found him sound asleep. Billy took this opportunity and stabbed Charlie to death. The trial court convicted Andy and Billy of the crime of murder with aggravating circumstances of reward and treachery. Under Article 248 of the Revised Penal Code as amended by Republic Act No. 7659, the prescribed penalty for murder is reclusion perpetua to death. Considering that there are two aggravating circumstances, the trial court imposed upon Andy and Billy the penalty of reclusion perpetua without benefit of parole in lieu of death penalty. Accordance with Republic Act No. 9346 or the law prohibiting the imposition of death penalty. Only Andy elevated the case to the Court of Appeals. Andy questioned the penalty and argued that he should only be liable for homicide with the prescribed penalty of reclusion temporal because the circumstances of reward and treachery cannot be appreciated against him. Decide what crime Andy committed and impose the proper penalty explained. Answer: Andy committed murder and a penalty of reclusion perpetua. A conspiracy exists when two or more persons come to an agreement concerning the commission of a crime of a felony and decide to commit it. In the eyes of the law, conspirators are one man. They breathe one breath, they speak one voice, they wield one arm, and the law says that the acts, words, and declaration of each, while in the pursuant of the common design, are the acts, words, and declaration of all. Article 248, murder. Any person who not falling within the provisions of Article 246 shall kill another, shall be guilty of murder, and shall be punished by reclusion perpetua to death if committed with any of the following attendant circumstances. 1. With treachery, taking advantage of superior strength with the aid of armed men, or employing means to weaken the defense, or of means or persons to afford impunity. 2. In consideration of a price reward or promise. 5. With evident premeditation. 6. With cruelty by deliberately and inhumanly augmenting the suffering of the victim or outraging or scooping at his person or corpse as amended by RA number 7659. Article 250. Penalty for prostrated parricide, murder, or homicide. The courts, in view of the person guilty of the prostrated crime of parricide, murder, or homicide defined and penalized in the preceding articles, a penalty lower by 1 degree than that which should be imposed under the provisions of Article 50. The courts, considering the facts of the case, may likewise reduce by 1 degree the penalty which under Article 51 should be imposed from an attempt to commit of such crimes. Article 14 of Revised Penal Code states, aggravating circumstances. The following are aggravating circumstances. 11. That the crime be committed in consideration of a price, reward, or promise. 16. That the act is committed with treachery, alibusia. There is treachery when the offender commits any of the crimes against the person employing means, methods, or forms in the execution thereof, which tend directly and especially to ensure its execution without risk to himself arising from the defense which the offended party might make. Reclusion perpetua is more than reclusion temporal. Reclusion temporal, time included in a penalty in its form, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Time included in its minimum from 12 years and 1 day to 14 years and 8 months. Time included in its medium period from 14 years, 4 months and 1 day to 17 years and 4 months. Time included in its maximum period from 17 years and 4 months and 1 day to 20 years. So that's it. That's our answer in the bar exam 2024 in criminal law, number 6 question. Thank you for watching and listening. Good night and God bless.